Hello and welcome back to Learn With Me. In our last video, we have talked about randomization where we made heads and tails and we have randomized numbers, floats and so much. And in today's video, to continue on our Python journey, we're going to talk about lists and arrays. Basically, they're the same thing, but in Python, we call them lists. In Java and different languages, we call them arrays. So first of all, let's make an empty array. What is an array? Array equals to, this is the syntax. Array equals to brackets. Now this is the syntax in Python. What is an array? Let's say I make a variable a equals to 1, a variable b equals to 2. So they are variables. Array is a group of variables in a single variable. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like multiple boxes in a big box. Okay. Let's say if I want to find out, let's print the array and let's see what it shows us. As you can see, it shows us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's an object called array. Now let's say if I want to extract a single variable from an array, how can we do that? We can do that using the following syntax. We will write, let's say we call it an item. Item equals to, we put the name of the array, which is array. We can name it whatever we want, okay? And in brackets, and we put the place of the item that we need. Very crucial knowledge that every single array or list in any single language starts from 0. So let's say we want to extract the first element, we write 0. Sorry, we haven't printed, so let's print this. Print item, and then let's see it gives us 1, which is the first element. Now, maybe people will forget, because if you're new, you will forget. So let's say you write 5. There is no 5 because 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, there is no 5. Let's say if we write 5, the fifth element, it gives us a list index out of range. Because there is no 5. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So mind this, in every single language, it starts from 0. See, we write 4, now it gives us 5. So index 4 gives us the fifth element. Let's say we want to manipulate something. So we say array, the last element in this array is equals to 10. Okay. Now let's print it and see what happens. It's now 10. So it changes the place. Let's do 2 times. Let's say print the fourth element before and after we manipulate it to see the difference. See, before it's 5, and then we change it and we print it, it becomes 10. So we update the array. After that, let's talk about some functions that are very crucial in lists. But these are the main basic ones. First of all, array.append. Basically, it will add anything at the end of the array. So let's put a number 40, okay? And print array. Let's see what happens. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one is 40. After that, this is append, which adds the certain element at the end of the array. Okay, let's comment this out. And then let's talk about array.pop. What's pop? You don't have to give it any arguments, anything in the brackets, you just run it. What it does is that it takes out the last item from an array and deletes it. So it pops it out. Let's comment this out as well. Then we will have array.insert. Insert is just like pop. Insert is just like append, but here we will not only give the item that we want to add, but we want to give it an index number. So we know where to add it. Okay. So let's see here, I was mistaken. Let's add index, then comma, and an item. So first of all, let's add an item on the second part, which is, let's say 1000. So this is a number that I want to add. And the first one, I want to write the index that where I want to add. So let's say we want to add it in index 0. So I want to add it in the first element and then shift everything to the right. So let's run it and see. See, 1000 is 0, index 0, then everything is shifted to right. If we add it in the second, it goes from the index 2 and it adds it there and it shifts everything after it. Okay. Let's remove this. Let's comment this. And then let's say we print an array. We're using f string that we have taken earlier. The length of the total items, the total item in array is between curly braces, len. Len is a very important function. Len and array. Let's see what we get. We have 5 elements and it says the total items in array is 5. Now let's duplicate this whole code and do it again. Now we want to add an element to show you guys that before it says the count and after it says the count. So no, I'll insert. I think it's better to not put insert here, so I will put append. Then we run it again. See, the total items is 5. The total items is 6. So it shows us the array and delete and the addition. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys learned anything, make sure to like and subscribe and add the playlist. And see you guys in the next one.